In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to Korean text in League of Legends. By the end, your game's menus, tooltips, and in-game text will display in Korean, and the process is quick and straightforward. Start by opening the Riot client and logging in. This setting lives in the Riot client itself, not inside a match, so make sure you're on the main client screen. Once you're in, look to the left side of the client and click the League of Legends icon. This tells the client you want to adjust settings specifically for League. Next, move to the top right corner of the client and click your profile icon. It usually appears as a small avatar or circle. That will open a small menu where you can access your account-related options. From there, click Settings. This opens the Settings panel where all game preferences live. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Game Text Language. This is the control that changes the language of on-screen text, like menus, buttons, the shop interface, and ability descriptions. Click the language drop-down and select Korean from the list. Selecting this changes only the written text of the game and client surfaces related to League. It won't alter your voiceover audio or which server you play on, and it won't affect your ping. After choosing Korean, confirm the change by hitting Update on League. The client may need to download language files to complete the switch. That's normal. Keep the client open while it updates and let it finish. The size of the update can vary, so give it a moment to process. If you're on a metered connection, just be aware there may be a small download. Once the update completes, you're all set. The next time you're in the client, and when you head into a game, you'll see the interface text in Korean. Menus, HUD elements, the item shop, and tooltips will all reflect your new language choice. If you ever want to switch back to your previous language, you can return to the same game text language setting and pick your preferred option again. That's the entire process. Open the Riot client, select League on the left, go to your profile at the top right, open Settings, choose Korean under game text language, and then click Update on League. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the new layout after the change, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy playing League with Korean text enabled.